Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. A bit of a change of pace today. I've gone ahead and fired up the TNX 3.0 for the first time in a long time. It seems to run pretty good. It idles alright, it definitely needs a tune, but I'll save that for another day when I can get out into a more open space. The TNX is powered by the FS18SR engine. It is made in conjunction with OS back in the early 2000s, and it shares a lot of similar components to the OS 18 CVR engine, which is a highly sought after unit these days. And as you'll see in this video, the engine actually ran pretty good. The only issue that I've found with it was that the high speed needle managed to screw itself out at one point, and it just richened it right up and just stopped the motor. So I'm probably going to have to go ahead and get some new O-rings for the to do a carby rebuild on it. The only other thing is that there is a bit of a leak in the fuel tank. As you can see here, there's a bit of fuel residue. So I'll go ahead and put a new seal on the fuel cap as well, just to keep that nice and tidy. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the running video. Feel free to leave any questions or comments in the section below. Really enjoying all of the feedback coming through on the channel at the moment. You can also check out KORC on Instagram. Plenty of pictures of all of my Tamiya Nitro collection being restored. And as always guys, thanks for watching. Cheers.
Huh?